I'm at a point of money where I never ever contemplate the price of anything ever. The whole world, the only way I can explain being ridiculously rich is that everything is completely free. So if you want something, even 1%, even if you want something a little bit, the cost is 0% consideration. So I have 30 cars. I tried to stop at 10, but the car owners know I'm gonna buy them, right? So they decide to launch a new Lambo and they text me and go, hey, new Lambo. I don't even ask to see a picture. I'm just like, okay. Because I'm not gonna notice the money going missing, so why not at least, I might only glance at it for 3 seconds. I may never even drive it. I might just go, oh, yeah, it's all right. That's worth the money to me because the money is worth nothing. So the whole world is free. If I want coffee, it's like I buy and do things like the same way a person not even buys a coffee, like a penny sweet. It's just like, oh, fuck it, all right. It doesn't mean anything. I can't explain it. I don't have a clue how much money I'm worth. I don't know. That's the answer. I don't know. I just know I can have whatever I want.
Do you have more cars or more girlfriends?
I'm a man of God. You didn't hear? Well, God wants us to procreate, so I guess.
They were going to be two separate questions.
Yeah.
But last time I looked, you had 29 cars, so you've clearly bought one more.
Correct.
And I saw somewhere you said you had 20 girlfriends. So more cars or more girlfriends? And let's talk cars and girlfriends.
Yeah, good question. So yeah, I have around 30 cars now. I don't sell them because I don't need money. So what's the point in selling it?
Do you buy ones that you think will go up in value, or do you just not care?
Don't give a shit.
No.
I'll buy what I want.
Whatever.
Yeah, what I want. I actually buy them because I'm curious. So like the new Maserati came out, the MC20. I don't think it'll be that good a car. The reviews are actually pretty mediocre. I've never driven one, so I bought one. So I drove it, 10 minutes. So yeah, it's shit. Put it on the drive. That was it.
And you'll just keep it?
Yeah. What am I gonna do? So what am I gonna sell it for? Money? Fucking money. I don't want. It's the last thing I want. I don't give a shit. So I don't need money, so I'd never sell it. The headache of dealing with someone buying it off me is not worth the 350 grand. Like someone going, hey, can I come check out the car? Oh, fuck off, I'm out. Oh, fuck, get fucked. Like I can't be bothered. Even telling my assistant to deal with it is too much hassle for 350 G's. I don't give a shit. So just stay there forever till it rusts to fucking bits. So yeah, that's the main reason I have so many cars. And also the reason I have so many cars is because there's really nothing left to buy. When I was poor, I thought when I get rich, I'm gonna buy all this stuff. But then you buy some nice clothes, you buy a couple diamond watches, or 20, whatever. You buy a house. What's there to buy? Plates, cups, okay, nice computer, nice big TV. My TV's worth $500,000, about $500,000 fucking television. You buy some cars, there's nothing to buy. All you really need is a laptop. When you got a laptop, you can do anything you need. You got a laptop and a phone and a t-shirt to wear, and that's your life and your empire sorted. So everything else is just dumb shit, right? So there's nothing else to buy. So I buy cars because there's nothing else to buy. As for girlfriends, I'm a man of God. I'm a good man, and I'm an honest man. I think that love is a beautiful thing, and I think that men and women are designed to be together. And I think that the world is a more interesting place when you see, in fact, I'll change that answer. I think that the happiest man on earth you can find has a good relationship, and the happiest woman on earth you can find has a good relationship. I think we're social animals, and I think that a good relationship is such an integral part to our spiritual well-being. And I am very fortunate that I have many concurrent, very good relationships with women who are extremely understanding and kind and loving and nice to me. And they understand my value, and they treat me with utmost respect. And it's certainly a fantastic thing, because I think that women are, in their own way, very powerful in the complete different way that men are powerful. And this is what, when I got attacked for being misogynistic, people didn't understand. I'm not insulting women, I'm saying that we are different. And I may physically and financially and intellectually take control and protect my women, but certainly they will spiritually protect me. I know that if a woman truly loves you, that's a powerful force. I've had days where 3 different girls, I woke up to 3 different girls texting me, be careful, I had a bad dream last night, and something bad happened that day. That's happened to me. I know that if I get very sick or I'm in hospital, I'll want my woman there more than you'll want a female more than you'll want your boys.
Yeah.
They have a healing energy. And there's times where they're absolutely not extremely powerful forces. So yes, if you're a man who wants to have a complete life, you want to be successful and competent in all realms, you need to also make sure that your relationship ticks that box. or however many you feel you need to be satisfied. I have a very good life and a very good relationship with many fantastic females, and also I know some great. I have a good life. That's the only answer I can say. I don't want to give numbers. And
Okay.
the reason I won't, I'll tell you the reason I won't.
Okay.
There's large contingents of feral psychopaths aiming to destroy me. So I don't like to give away too much information about certain things. That's the only reason why.
Yeah.
Like I could sit here and say 1, I could say 25, I could say whatever.
Well, it's clearly not 1 because the plurals come out a few times.
Perhaps it is 1, and perhaps that's the big deception.
This
Perhaps.
matrix shit isn't working on me.
Perhaps the feral psychopaths are now confused. Does he have 1 wife? Does he have 35 concubines? I can't work it out. Who do we contact to attempt to attack him? Because your females are your biggest weakness. As a man of genuine competence, your biggest weakness is your female. I'll tell you right now, if I had to get a man, if I had to get him, and he knew I was after him, he'd be a hard target. But you know how I'd get him? This woman. Every fucking time. She's the one who'll post the Instagram story. She's the one who won't forget to fucking hide her phone. She's the one who you can lie to. Hi, this is Officer Deputy Inspector bullshit. We think you might be in this hotel. There's been a problem with you. We've heard this report. Yeah, we are. What's the problem? Yeah, we are. That's how they get you. You're a woman. She doesn't think fast enough. She doesn't understand the true dangers of the world. Your women is how they will get you. And I'm talking from experience. You want someone, you look for their chick. Even the police do it. Guy's wanted. Yeah, go to his ex-girlfriend's house. 9 times out of 10, guess where he's fucking hiding? Some chick's house. Who's he been fucking lately? Go there. Done. It's not hard. So your woman is how they get you. So when you're playing chess, my father was a chess grandmaster. Besides the king, the number 1 piece they can attack that will make you have to react is your queen. It's a powerful piece. So if the government want you, they can attack your woman. If your enemies want you, they can use your woman. You can sit in a police interview. They can arrest you and your wife. You and your wife can have the same story. Then they can sit with your wife and say, we went through his phone. Do you know he's fucking this girl? And she'll go, what? She'll change stories. Your woman's is your number 1 weakness.